In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Squarespace designs and pages to new site. By the end, you'll know how to duplicate an existing Squarespace website so you can reuse its look, layout, and pages as a fresh starting point. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Squarespace. The quickest path is to go to the account sign-in page. This takes you straight to your site's dashboard once you're signed in. Click Login, then sign in with your Squarespace account. If you manage multiple sites or organizations, make sure you're in the profile that owns the site you want to copy. You might be prompted for two-factor authentication, just complete that as usual. When you're in, you'll see your list of websites. Find the website you want to copy. You don't need to open it, stay on the list view. Look for the small three-dot icon next to that site's name. This icon opens the site's actions menu. Click it to reveal the available options. From that menu, choose Duplicate Website. This is the built-in Squarespace feature that creates a new site based on your current one. It's perfect for redesign, staging, or spinning up a template-like version of a site you love. When you duplicate, Squarespace carries over your design theme, style settings, page structure, and most standard content such as pages, sections, galleries, and blog posts. Keep in mind that certain items typically do not carry over automatically, like domain connections, some commerce data, member areas, and certain third-party integrations. That's normal because the duplicate is intended to be its own separate site. Plan to review those areas afterward so everything works the way you expect. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Duplicate to proceed. Squarespace will start building the copy. Depending on the size of your site, this can take a moment. While it's working, avoid refreshing the page. When it's finished, you'll see a new site appear in your list, usually with a name indicating it's a copy. This is your new workspace that mirrors the original design and content structure. At this point, you've successfully copied your Squarespace designs and pages into a brand new site. Use this duplicate to experiment safely, prepare a redesign, or launch a new project without touching the original. After it appears, give it a quick check. Browse key pages, scan for missing images, and verify that links and basic forms look right. If your original site used advanced features such as commerce or integrations, plan to review those settings on the new site as needed. That's it. You now have a clean duplicate of your Squarespace website ready for your next move.